Good morning, students. Today I will teach you direct and reported speech. Reported speech is also known as your indirect speech. So let's see. There are two ways of saying what someone has said. All right. First is your direct speech. Second is your reported speech. That means indirect speech. So let's see what is direct speech. Direct speech is exactly what someone said. Means to quote the words of the speaker exactly the same without making any changes is known as your direct speech. Alright. And the words are always between inverted commas. This is the way to recognize whether your sentence is in direct or indirect. Let's see what is in direct speech. In reported speech or in indirect speech, we do not use exact words but only give their meaning. So, in indirect speech, we do not quote the words of the speaker exactly the same. But what we do, we make necessary changes wherever required, but we keep the meaning same. Alright. So let's see with an example. Tom said, I am not free. First, let's see how to recognize. I told you whether it's your direct or indirect, what you need to see, your whatever the speaker is saying will be enclosed in double inverted commas. Alright. And Tom said. Said is your reporting word. When we will change into indirect, Tom is saying this. So instead of using Tom again, what we use he. Tom said, and instead of double inverted commas and comma, what we introduce that. Tom said that he was not free. This will be your indirect speech. And how we have to change the tense of the sentence, whether to change into past, to simple past or past perfect, past continuous. First, the foremost important thing is that we have to see our reporting verb should be in past, right? Said is your past. Then only we can make the changes in the sentence. If your reporting verb will be in past tense, then what changes we will do? If your sentence, if the words of the speaker is in simple present, it will change into simple past. If it's in present continuous, it will change into past continuous. If it's in present perfect, it will change into past perfect. Even your simple past will be changed into past perfect. Your past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. Wherever you will be getting will, shall, can, it will be changed in indirect speech, would, should and could. Right? If this is of your direct speech, while changing direct into indirect, these changes we need to keep in our mind. Here are few words we need to see when we change direct into your reported speech. This will change into that. These will change into those. Here will change into your there. Now will change into then, today, to that day, tonight, that night, tomorrow, the next day. Let's see some examples. Tom said, I am not free. Alright. That already we have seen the sentence is in present. Right. So Tom said that he was not free. That means it will change into your past. Ashok said, I am writing to my father. Ashok said that he was writing to his father. This is your present continuous. It's changing into your past continuous. All right. Let's see. Gopi took my pen, said Suresh. Suresh said, this is your simple past, right? I told you your simple past will change into your past perfect. Sorry, by mistake I wrote has, but it will be had. Suresh said that Gopi had taken his pen. Asha said, I have read the book. This is your present perfect. Asha said that she had read the book. Your present perfect is changed into your past perfect. Simple present is changed into your past perfect. Present continuous is changed into your past continuous. Simple present is changed into your past simple past. Alright. That we already read in the previous. And I already said that the sentence will be only changed if your reporting verb is in your past tense. Alright. See this sentence. He says, I am busy. Right? This your reporting verb is here is in present. Say is in present, right? So the tense of the sentence will not change. It will be written as it is. He says that he is busy. So you can see direct, while changing direct into indirect, the tense has not changed. Why? Because your reporting verb is in present tense. Right? So this was your direct and reported speech for today. All right. Thank you so much.